The easiest way to install OpenFOAM on Mac is from the GitHub repository gerlero/openfoam-app. This can be done in two ways. The first installation option is performed using the free package manager, Homebrew. If you don't have it, you need to install it. To do this, let's open the link to brew.sh package homepage and copy the installation command into the operating system's terminal. Press Enter. Next, we will enter the superuser password if the system requests it. After this, the installation process will start. After the package manager installation is complete, we return to the GitHub repository. We copy the OpenFOAM installation command into the operating system's terminal. Note that the command directly specifies the version of the OpenFOAM package being installed. You can change it if desired. Next, we press Enter to execute the installation command. After the operation is complete, the OpenFOAM icon will appear among all your installed applications, and the selected package version will be displayed in its caption. Here it is, version 24.12. When you launch this application, the OpenFOAM package terminal will open, and a virtual image with the OpenFOAM package sources will be mounted. The second OpenFOAM installation option involves downloading a ready-made application suitable for your operating system from the GitHub repository. The downloaded application cannot be launched immediately with a double click, as it was not downloaded from the App Store. You need to go to System Settings, the Privacy and Security section. Find the message about the application launch being blocked, and click the Open Anyway button. After this, the application launch restrictions will be removed.